Good morning, children. We are on chapter 10, Work and Energy. Yes, and right now we are learning about energy. Yes, we have done what is energy. Right now we are learning about different forms of energy. Till now we have done light energy, heat energy, sound energy, wind energy and mechanical energy. Yes, today we are going to learn about mechanical energy. To understand mechanical energy, children, remember two words, position and motion. First is position, second is motion. Keep these words in your mind to understand mechanical energy. Mechanical energy lies in the object's position and motion. Mechanical energy possessed in object's position and motion. I'll tell you how. Now children, what is this? This is a toy car. It is at one place. It is resting at one place. So resting at one place is object's position. Okay, right now I'm sitting here. This is my position. Okay, this car is resting here. This is the car's position. So the rest position at which object is. Object's rest position is object rest stage. The stage on which object is resting, or we can say the resting stage of the object. Resting stage of the object known as its position. I'm sitting here, I'm resting here in this position. This is my position. Okay, this car is at rest position here. This is this car's position. Okay, so position is this. Mechanical energy possessed in object's position. So here is the position. Mechanical energy lies here. And when there is a motion. Okay, in two things. In object's position, mechanical energy possessed in object's position and in motion. This much is clear. Now come to next step. Position is related with potential energy. Position is related with potential energy and motion is related with kinetic energy. I'm repeating again, children. Position is related with potential energy and motion is related with kinetic energy. This much is clear. What is potential? Potential means ability to do something. Caliber to do something. Okay, so potential means ability to do something, caliber to do something. When you are having potential, that means you are having caliber to do something, to perform actions. Yes, that is what? Potential energy. That means you are having energy to perform action. Yes, and when that energy changed into motion, when that energy changed into movement, that is motion, then it is kinetic energy. So P for potential energy, P for position. Okay, P for potential energy, P for position, and K for kinetic energy and M for motion. Okay, always remember. K for kinetic energy and M for motion. Is it clear? This much is clear. What is kinetic energy is clear. What is potential energy is clear. I am repeating again. Potential energy means having caliber or ability to do something, which lies in position. Potential energy lies in its position. That means the object is having ability to perform action or to do something. That is potential energy. And when that energy changed into motion, when that energy changed into motion, then it is kinetic energy. This much is clear, children? Okay. Now, almost everything is having potential to perform action. Okay, from snail. Have you seen snail? It moves very slowly. Yes. That is when the snail is at resting position. Then it is when the snail is at resting position, that means at one place, then it is potential energy. And when snail starts moving, then it is kinetic energy. Earth is a good example of kinetic energy. Yes, Earth revolves around Sun. Yes, all the planets revolve around Sun. That means kinetic energy is there. Yes. Now children, let's take few examples of kinetic energy and potential energy. Now children, let's take few examples. Let's start with this car only. When this car is at rest position, which energy is there? Potential energy is there. And when the same car moves forward or moves backward or moves forward, then it is kinetic energy. Why kinetic energy? Because motion is there. Yes, when it is at resting position, potential energy, and when it moves, kinetic energy. Simple. Now let's take one more example. What is this, children? Bell resting at one place. It is what? Potential energy. When it swings like this, which energy is this? Movement is there, motion is there. Which energy is there? Kinetic energy. Yes. When bell is at rest position, potential energy. When it moves, it swings, then it is kinetic energy. Okay? Now, let's take one more example. What is this, children? Ball. Yes? This ball. This ball. Now this ball here. Which energy is here? Potential energy. And when it falls down, movement is there, then kinetic energy. I'm repeating again, children. Sorry. Now, this ball is here. It is at rest position. It is potential energy. Now, it's changed into kinetic energy. Here, potential energy. Now, kinetic energy. Here, at this position, I'm holding this ball. This is potential energy. And now, kinetic energy. This much is clear. Now, let's take one more example. What is this? When it is at one place. When this is at one place, that is potential energy. And when it rolls down, kinetic energy. When it is at one place, potential energy. And when it's rolls down like this, kinetic energy. Okay, children? This is clear? When it is here at one position, it is potential energy, and when it rolls down, kinetic energy is there. Is it clear? Now children, let's take one more example of potential energy and kinetic energy. Children, what is this? Glass of water. Yes. Now, the water is resting in this glass. Yes, this is what? Potential energy. But when the same water falls here in this bowl, then it is kinetic energy. I'm repeating again, children. water resting in this glass is potential energy, and when it falls down in this bowl, then it is kinetic energy. Is it clear? Now children, the same water stored in dam is potential energy. When we release that water and it falls down, it is kinetic energy. Now let's take one more last example children. What is this? Rubber band. Can you see this rubber band? I can stretch this. So rubber band in this position, can you see? This is potential energy. This is potential energy. And when I take this piece of paper and now can you see children, this is which position is there? This stretch position is which position? Potential energy. This is potential energy, and when I release this is kinetic energy. Let's do one more time. Now see. This is what? Potential energy, and when I release this paper, kinetic energy. So this is all about mechanical energy. I repeat again children, as we have already discussed that energy cannot be created or cannot be destroyed. Energy we cannot create and we cannot destroy. Okay, energy is there. Energy is there. We are surrounded by different kind of energy, and that energy keeps changing its form. Okay, like here potential energy change into kinetic energy. So always remember children that wind energy changes into electrical energy. Yes, heat energy changes into light energy. So energy is there in our nature that we cannot create, that we cannot destroy. Only energy changes its forms. One form of energy into another form, like heat energy into light energy, wind energy into electrical energy into sound energy. Yes, potential energy into kinetic energy. So this is clear to you? Okay, here we were talking about mechanical. We are talking about mechanical energy. So mechanical energy is what? It lies in objects, position and motion. When object is at resting position, then it is potential energy, and when it changes into motion, then it is kinetic energy. So this is all about kinetic energy and potential energy, all together about mechanical energy. Okay children, thank you so much. God bless you.